Hey guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a projector that was sent to me so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing in this video. If you've been following me on my channel, you know that I like to do videos for some projectors that feel like a little bit unique. I like recording video for those projectors that are like tiny, that can actually fit in your pocket. So this one, I actually did the exception to accept to do the video for this one because I thought that for the price, it was like very good for the price, because this goes for $230. But this also includes the projection screen, which is, I think it's up to 100 inches, which is awesome because the projection screen can actually be costly if you buy it by itself. And for that and the price and the specs, I thought, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try it out. You know, even though, yeah, I don't like making videos for big projectors like this, but let's go and try it out, right? And of course, I played a whole bunch of gaming here, so I'll be showing you guys B-roll of me playing video games here with the Nintendo Switch and the Xbox Series S. So right here, like you see, this is the Vankyo Leisure 530W 1080p Full HD projector. So this is 1080p native. Okay, 1080p native, and yes, you can put 4K files and it will actually play them. Wi-Fi connection, 1080 native resolution, premium cinema style stereo, which is really good. Touchscreen design and electronic keystone correction. Let's go and unbox this right here. Of course, I put everything back in the box just like I always do with my products that I like to review. Here is the instruction manuals, which is easy to understand. Of course, this can mirror your smartphone. So this instructions right here is instructions on how to mirror your smartphone, whether it's iOS or Android. Now, what's cool about this, like I said, for the price, you're getting a portable projector screen. This right here is 100 inches. 100 inches. It's going to show you guys a little bit. Has black borders right here. Very cool, nice white. And of course, it comes with all the handles that you need. Let me see. It comes with this right here. This is the ones that I use for this. It comes with these, and I actually took them all from the wall. I even took part of the wall. That sucks. It comes with a lot of those, so you know, it comes ready to actually stick. Let's go put this to the side. Let's go ahead and take this right here. It comes with, of course, HDMI cable. It comes with the power cord for your projector, of course. Let's see what else do we have here. It comes with a remote control. It comes with the remote control, but I barely used it because I love the touchpad that's on the projector. But every control that's on the projector, it's on the controller as well. So you can either use this one or that one. It doesn't really matter. And yes, it uses AAA batteries that you have to actually put because it's not included in the package. And let's go ahead, take the get out of here. So here is let's see what's here. Okay, you got some screws there. I don't know what these screws are, but most likely they're for something. And here's the printer. Here's the other instruction manual, which will actually talk you about the projector itself, everything that you need to know about the projector, keystone, all that. You got some swabs there and cleaning material for the lenses if you need to actually clean the lenses. And that's it. Oh, look at this. It comes with this old composite cable just in case you want to connect something old to it. You can actually connect something old to it, like an old VCR or old camcorder or something like that. You can actually do that. So here it is. This is how it actually looks. Here are the touchscreen buttons. This turns on like that, right? You got the power button right here. Over here in the back, you got where you plug in your power. This is a sensor for the remote, and it also has another sensor for the remote in the front as well. So it doesn't matter if you're pointed to the front or the back, you're actually going to be having good reception when it comes to the remote control. Over here in the side, you got ventilation. You got these ports right here, USB, HDMI, HDMI 2, audio video, headphone jack, which you could actually use to actually connect speakers, and of course it has a micro SD slot as well, so if you want to plug in like your memory card from your phone, you can actually put it there and watch what's on your phone. And of course you got this, which is the lens right here. Look at that, control Vankyo. This is the lens right here. Over here on the side you got speaker grill, and you have this right here which lets you control the focus of your image. So when you have the image, you just control the focus here. Of course, to control the size of the projector, you actually have to move the projector closer or farther from the screen, which I don't like that. Over here, I think, yeah, it has like a little filter there for the ventilation. So if you want to, most likely you want to clean this, make sure it's not covered with a lot of dust and all that. And that's it. So here in the bottom, you can actually hook this up to the wall or to the ceiling with some of those things that actually grasp the projectors. And of course here, this right here will actually control the height of the projector. So if you want once you put the projector on the table, like you're gonna see in the video, I did use this a lot so I can make the image go a little bit more higher on the wall. So like I said, this projector is native 1080p, supports up to 4K in videos, and of course it has a contrast ratio of 10,000 by 1. Honestly, here I'm watching it on my wall, like you're gonna see, I actually did try it out without the screen projection, and it did look pretty damn good. And then I did put the screen projection on, and I think it looks a little bit better, not that much better, but it does look a little bit better. And of course it's going to be very beneficial, the screen, if you have like different color screens. So in my case, my walls are white, like bone white, so I can actually use it without the screen, in my opinion. Another cool thing is that you can actually mirror your smartphone. In my case, I couldn't actually mirror my smartphone because for some reason I couldn't connect to the device itself. I couldn't find it, but there is instructions on how to actually connect your iOS device. Maybe it works better with iOS, but I did try with Android and it didn't work for me. I would have wished that this thing came with Chromecast support. That would have been awesome, but it doesn't. One cool thing is that it has the keystone correction screen, that it doesn't matter what angle you put your projector, you will be able to adjust the projection on the screen, making sure it's actually nice and straight for the viewing, no matter how the angle of the projector is. That's a very important feature for projectors, and this one actually works really damn good, like you see here on the video. Of course, screen zooming, you have to move the projector either close to the wall or far from the wall. The farther you go, the bigger the screen is going to look, and the less sharper the colors are going to look and bright. Of course, it has the touch panels on the top, which I said I did use the touch panels a lot more than I did use the controller, because you got everything right there. You don't really need to use the controller, but of course on the controller, all those controls will actually be in your hand on the controller as well. Of course, you can also try media sticks. Like for example, the media stick that I used was the Google Chromecast with Google TV. And it worked perfectly good, like you see here on the video. Everything looks really damn nice. You could move through the devices, menu and everything, and it just feels like you're watching Chromecast on a huge TV. But of course, it doesn't look as sharp as a TV if you having it too big. So I really recommend to keep the size between 60 and 80 inches. I think that's the sweet spot for this projector. But like you see here, I did play with Sling TV, HBO Max, YouTube videos, and everything works really damn nice. Netflix, all the applications work really damn nice with the Google Chromecast connected to it. I also played a whole bunch of video gaming with the Xbox Series S. I did play, like you see here, you can actually see me going through the menu of the Xbox. And of course, I played the game that I'm playing a lot right now, which is Outriders. And of course, I didn't experience any lag whatsoever, which is good, because that's what you want. You want to make sure that if you're projecting something to while playing video games, you don't want that lag. And I did not experience that lag input on this projector. Yes, it does not look better than my TV, but it did not, show me any lags. Also, I did connect my Nintendo Switch using my different dock. Of course, you can connect the normal dock, but I did connect it to the Nintendo Switch using another special dock that I'm using, and it worked perfectly good, just like anything. Video gaming here is awesome, no lag whatsoever. Colors feel actually good, but of course, the smaller the screen, the better it's gonna look and the brighter it's gonna look. And it looks pretty good, like you see here on the video. So that's something that's pretty good. One thing that I really was impressed about this projector is the actual sound. The sound coming from the speakers, it actually sounds pretty loud and clear, so like you're gonna see here on this video. I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit of gameplay or video of the sound that's coming from the projector itself. But of course, one negative thing also about the projector is that while you're projecting something, it can get loud because it has fans. And for some reason, sometimes it speeds up for some reason without me watching anything. And sometimes it just stays quiet. But yes, when it goes loud, it does actually sound really loud, like you're gonna hear here on the video. I did want to try it out and make a video for you guys because I think that for the price, considering that it's native 1080p and it has a good contrast ratio, I don't know the lumens, the brightness lumens. I don't know. I've been looking for it everywhere in the packaging and I can't read anywhere where it says the lumens of this device, but I would say it's around 400 because it doesn't look really bright. But I really can't tell. I really can't tell about the lumens about this device. I did want to try it because for the price and the fact that it actually includes the screen, I think it's pretty good. $230. That's something that most likely a lot of people that are looking for a cheap projector might look at this one and see that it comes with the projector screen and say, hey, let me go ahead and try it out if it's worth or not. Honestly, I would try it out. I would buy it. And if you don't like it, just return it. Because remember, when you buy stuff from Amazon, they have a good return policy. And if you're not satisfied with it, you could just return it. The life of this, I think they say you could get up to 90,000 hours of life on these LED lights over there. I think something like that. But of course, remember, when you're not using the projector, always use this cap, because you don't want to accumulate too much dust in there. This is not meant to be a high-end projector. This is only $230. You can't compare this to a $1,000 projector, which obviously is going to be better than this, right? Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about these projectors, and let me know if you have a favorite projector that you actually like and you would like me to actually try it out for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.